In this video, I'll guide you through how to add a hostname in GoDaddy, whether you're setting up a lab environment, pointing a subdomain to a server, or just learning how DNS records work. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly so you know exactly what you're doing and why. First, you'll need to log in to your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is the main area where all of your domains are listed. Once you're signed in, look for the section labeled Domains or My Domains, and then open the portfolio view if it's not already showing. You should see a list of all the domains you own under that account. Next, choose the domain where you want to add your hostname. For example, if your domain is example.com and you want to create something like lab.example.com, you'll select example.com from the list. Click on that domain to open its settings page and then locate the DNS tab. This is sometimes labeled DNS or Manage DNS, depending on the interface version you're seeing. Go ahead and click that tab to open the DNS management area. Inside the DNS management page, you'll see a list of existing records such as A records, CNames, and possibly others like MX or TXT. Don't worry about most of these for now. We're just going to add a new entry. Look for the button or link that says Add New Record. This is usually near the top or bottom of the records list. Click Add New Record to bring up the form for creating a new DNS record. Now you'll need to choose the type of record you're creating. Since we're pointing a host name to an IP address, select the record type A. An A record is what tells the internet that a specific name like lab.example.com should resolve to a specific IPv4 address. Make sure A is selected before you move on. In the name field, type the host name you want to use. For example, if you want to set up lab.example.com, you would simply type lab here. You don't need to type the full domain name, just the part before the main domain. This is the label that turns your main domain into a more specific host. Next, in the value field, paste or type the IP address you want this host name to point to. This should be the public IPv4 address of the server or device you're trying to reach, such as your web server, lab machine, or other hosted service. Double check the IP address to make sure there are no typos, because an incorrect IP will send traffic to the wrong place or nowhere at all. Once everything looks correct, click Save. After saving, your new A record will appear in the list of DNS records. Keep in mind that DNS changes can take some time to fully propagate across the internet, often anywhere from a few minutes up to an hour or more, depending on caching. That's all you need to do. You've successfully added a host name in GoDaddy by creating an A record that points your chosen name to an IP address.